And for more on Prime Minister's Austria visit, we have Gautam Roy joining us from Austria. Well, Gautam, as we celebrate 75 years of diplomatic relations with India, PM calls upcoming Austria visit historic occasion. What is Prime Minister Modi's itinerary for today?
Good morning, Lipakshi. Well, Prime Minister Modi is going to arrive in Austria, in Vienna, at 6:30 p.m. local time. That's about 10 p.m. India time. And he has a dinner that he will be hosted for by the Federal Chancellor Karl Nehammer. Those are the engagements for today, because the official part of the engagement begins on Wednesday, right from 9:55 a.m. local time here in Vienna. That's when all the formal talks with the Federal Chancellor, delegation level talks, whatever the two leaders have to tell the media, the statements, the calling on the Federal President as well, Van der Bellen, everything will take place on Wednesday. He's also meeting the Indian diaspora, and what's happening for the first time is the Austria-India CEOs Forum. That will be meeting as well, and then it will be presenting a report to the leaders. This is something that has not happened before, and there's a lot of interest in India, particularly on the economic front in Austria, because for the CEOs Forum, what was being expected by the Indian embassy was that there'll be about a dozen or 15 Austrian companies, CEOs, that will perhaps be part of this forum, but the number has swelled over the last few days to 28, more than double that. The Indian CEOs, and 5 of them are from startups, are only about a dozen or so. The Austrian contingent is far more. Of course, it's home for them, but there's a lot of interest, and these CEOs are those of companies that already have a certain business in India, but there are also those who are looking to develop their business in India and have extensive ties with India, because India is a huge market that is very well known, and there are a lot of opportunities, particularly where boosting infrastructure is concerned. So the talks that leaders will have will be focused largely on the economic front, that is energy, trade, manufacturing and fertilizers. And since there's a lot of focus here in Austria and all over the world on Prime Minister Modi's Moscow visit as well, we can see in the Standard here, Der Standard, this is one of the papers that I could get hold of. It's quite early in the morning right now in Vienna. It clearly says that Prime Minister Modi has been to Moscow before Austria, but it also reports on how the Prime Minister will be having extensive engagements with the top Austrian leadership as well when he's in Vienna over the course of Tuesday and Wednesday.
All right, Gautam, India is a huge market, as you said. But what can we expect in relation to closer collaboration on many geopolitical challenges right now?
Yes, Lipakshi, that is something that the leaders will be taking head on. We've been told by sources that they will clearly say that a solution cannot be found on the battlefield. That is, of course, in the context of what's been happening in Ukraine, and perhaps that could also apply to what has been happening as far as Gaza is concerned between the Palestinians and Israel. And furthermore, sources have also said that India has always called for respecting the UN Charter, including territorial integrity and sovereignty, and there is no solution on the battlefield. Dialogue and diplomacy is the way forward. So this is something that perhaps will find a place in the statements of the leaders as well when these statements are made on Wednesday.
All right, Gautam, thank you so much for all that information from there.